guys, welcome back. So we're doing another Van Cleef unboxing. Okay, listen, I got a taste for it in my previous Van Cleef unboxing. If you didn't see that, I'll link it right up here. I got a taste for Van Cleef and I can't stop. My instincts are to fight it because obviously I just want to buy handbags. Okay, that's like what I've always wanted to buy, but right now I'm kind of just like not too interested in many handbags and kind of more interested in jewelry. So I don't know, something is wrong. So if you guys want to see my newest Van Cleef piece, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I am going to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post all about luxury. Apparently we're getting into jewelry now. Okay, if you guys are interested in luxury in general, I think you're gonna want to subscribe. It feels like that's what you're gonna want to do. So definitely do that. And if you're not already following me on Instagram, definitely do that as well. My Instagram is just the Katie Danger. I post every single day, either a reel or a picture. I post on my stories. I post a lot. I'm like kind of too active on Instagram if you ask me. So definitely follow me over there. I promise you won't regret it. Unless you hate reels, then you definitely will regret it. But without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing. So as you guys know, if you saw my last unboxing, all Van Cleef pieces that you order online, I should say, definitely not if you get them in store, no matter how teeny tiny it is, will come in this enormous box. Enormous, so enormous, for no reason. I'm just gonna rip it open. I'm ripping it open. We're doing it. I'm so excited. I had to do this video today because I'm actually going on date night like immediately after this. By the way, if you're confused about what I'm wearing, it's like a bralette but goes over a like shirt dress. It's from MDV. You guys know how I feel about MDV. I will link it in the description box if it is still available on the website. So we've got our little return thingy in case I want to return it, which I mean, I've never seen this piece in person, but I highly doubt that I will want to return it because this is something that is, well, I guess was on my wish list. If I actually got to filming my wish list video before this video, you guys would have known that. This is just not necessary. I appreciate it. Do I appreciate it? Very much. And I did say I was not going to throw it out in my last haul, and I did throw it out because it's huge. Like, it takes up so much space for one teeny tiny piece. Like, I cannot keep this, and I'm not going to keep this one either. I'm going to throw it out. So, like, that sucks. We're opening the box. We've got our little receipt homeboy over here. Or is this the receipt homeboy over here? I'm not sure. Maybe one of them is a care booklet. No, but then this one would be the care booklet. This is like, oh, this is getting so real right now, okay? This is getting so real. Here we have the little travel pouch. I know you know now. I know you know. Here it is. Here it is. Oh my God, you guys. Look at it. I just love how beautifully packaged this is. If this came just like this in like a little box, like I would be perfectly happy with that. So I'm just saying, we don't need the whole spectacle, you know? Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is honestly, for me, even more exciting, probably. Yeah, more exciting than my last one. Ripping this crap, I can't wait. So here's our box. You can definitely tell what type of product it is. Introducing my third Van Cleef piece ever. Look at it. You guys. This is the 5 Motif vintage. Oh my God, I have eyelash glue on my nail. This is the 5 Motif vintage Alhambra black onyx bracelet, you son of a... Get there. Go, 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 go. 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 I did it. So this is the 2 of them together. Again, this one is the 6 Motif Sweet Alhambra bracelet, and then this one is the 5 Motif Vintage Alhambra Black Onyx bracelet. I don't know how to speak the English language. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but this one does drop a little bit more than the Sweet Alhambra. I'm sure you can, it's coming across. So that just means I have an excuse to go to the store. Thank you so much. I wasn't really sure how it was gonna look, but I'm like stupid happy about it. And I think it's, you know, it's black, so it's gonna go with everything. I mean, it goes really well with what I'm wearing today. I'm just wearing white and black. I know that I said in my previous unboxing that I didn't want to add anything that was going to be a hassle, like take it on and off, take it on and off to like shower or whatever the case is. I got over that because I ended up taking this bracelet off a couple of times anyways, and it's really not that hard to put on. I mean, you guys saw I had a much easier time putting it on this time around versus the first time. So I feel okay about it. I'm not gonna wear it today because I am definitely gonna get it adjusted, which is really sad. But at the same time, not really, because you can't even see my wrists in this dress anyways. I'm just gonna bundle her back up so that she looks nice and pretty for when we go to the VCA boutique tomorrow, which honestly, I should vlog that. I should really vlog that, and I think I will. But there she is, my new piece. I'm obsessed with her. I love it so much, and I cannot wait. I'm like addicted now. Like, this is it. This is it, okay? That's it. That's my unboxing. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited. Tell me what you think about the piece that I got. I literally just ordered this directly off the website. I'll put the link in the description box. I'm pretty sure it is still available. I think I checked like yesterday and it was still there. So I will put the link in the description box in case you guys want to check it out for yourselves. But that is it for this unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. It sucks. It sucks, okay? You know it sucks. I know it sucks.